You might have wondered why some people become rich at a young age while others continue to struggle until their old age. Some people believe they are not lucky enough to be rich, while some think you have to be born rich to make more money. The truth is that getting rich requires patience, hard work, and determination, but more importantly, not to make mistakes in spending and investing money. In this video, we have picked up top 5 mistakes rich people never make, and that is probably why they hardly ever go broke. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. 1. Don't have a budget. The rich maintain a monthly and annual budget so that all their expenses are accounted for and their income flow is sufficient to meet their routine expenses. They ensure that sufficient funds are available for savings and investment. Without a budget, expenses can go out of control and you have no money in times of trouble. 2. Not diversifying. The super rich diversify their investments. It is true that if you are very wealthy, then it is easier to choose a wider range of things to invest in. However, diversifying is still possible, and definitely advisable, if we are not quite in the super rich category. How to diversify depends on your requirements for access to your money, how much reward you would like to achieve, which means how much risk you are also prepared to take, and what the timescale is for your investment. Make sure that your planning includes diversification. No eggs all in one basket, but different types of eggs in different baskets and even on different farms. You may also want some eggs to hatch at different times than others. 3. Blindly trusting others. If you fall for sales talk easily or tend to believe others easily, you may part with your hard-earned money on investments that won't yield much or end up being cheated. You might have heard of several people putting money in Ponzi schemes thinking that they can grow rich overnight. Such frauds happen because you don't take the effort to check whether the concerned people are bona fide or running the business as per regulations in force. 4. Depending on a single cash flow. Wealthy investors think about their future and often about the future of their children and grandchildren. They plan for this future by investing in the future. They don't just think about how much money have I made this year. They monitor and measure how their investments are doing against their plan, not just against what the market is doing. They also look at how the world will change and therefore where they should invest. Life expectancy in Barcelona is 83 for men and 88 for women. With retirements now spanning more than 20 years, this way of thinking about our money is now required by all of us. 5. Panicking. Super rich people generally have a good-sized pot put away for a rainy day. If they need money when the markets are down, they don't need to sell investments at a bad time. So they don't panic if markets, bitcoins, or property prices take a fall. It is a good idea for us to keep a rainy day pot of money available so that we do not have to panic. This is the starting point of building your plan. Before doing anything else, check on your planned expenditure and identify how much your expenses are each month. Put aside enough money in a rainy day account with easy access so that you will not have to panic if investment values fall. Why? Often those investments will recover and you will regain your wealth if you use your rainy day money instead of selling investments. It is very rare that making an investment today rather than tomorrow or the next day will be a life-changing decision. In nearly all circumstances, a few days delay before making your decision will have little impact and could save you from a very expensive mistake. Be more like Warren Buffett than a lottery winner and you will do well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more ways to help you manage, make and multiply money online.